48-year-old farmer Basavaraj Nilappa Ambi from Rajapur village in Mudalagi, taluk was kidnapped on February 14 while returning from Sangli. The abduction took place around 11:30 p.m. near Danapur village in Gokak taluk. Superintendent of Police Dr. Bhimashankar Guled stated that the kidnappers used Ambi's phone to call his wife Shobha Basavaraj Ambi, demanding a ransom of Rs 5 crore. In an attempt to secure his release, Shobha, accompanied by their son Hooliraj and a few others, went to the designated handover point near Nippani bypass with Rs 10 lakh. However, upon seeing Hooliraj and his friends, the abductors fled the scene. Later, the kidnappers contacted Shobha again, questioning why she had brought others despite their instructions. They reiterated their demand for 5 crore rupees, threatening to kill Ambi if the ransom was not paid. In response, the family made another attempt, carrying the money in 7 to 8 bags, but insisted on seeing Basavaraj in a video before proceeding with the payment. The transaction ultimately failed. Following these threats, Shobha filed a complaint at Ghatapra police station on Tuesday evening. 3 special police teams have been formed to track down the kidnappers, 2 teams operating in Chikkodi and 1 in the Gokak division. The investigation is ongoing.